All right, first let's identify clearly in the picture segment AD and segment CD. So AD is right here, and CD is in the back. And those two segments are congruent. All right, next let's identify clearly these angles. Angle ADB, from the A to the D to the B. Remember that the middle letter is always the vertex. So angle ADB is this rotation on this front triangle, and then on this triangle that's to the right, we'll find angle CDB. C to the D to the B. That's going to be this angle. All right, now let's clearly get in our head which triangle is ADB and CDB. ADB is this one on the front left, and angle CDB is this one on the right that's leaning a little foreshortened. It might help if we drew these triangles out here flat on this white plane. So there it is. We start with the given information, which is in blue and green. And then we use the reflexive property to show that DB for this triangle is congruent to DB for that triangle. And that's it. The triangles are congruent because we've got congruent sides, congruent angles, congruent sides. A pair of two sides and an included angle, the SAS congruence theorem. That's it for number 16.